Color extensions. Add a pop of color to your outfits with these rainbow hair extensions, perfect for daily use, costumes, cosplay, and formal events such as a wedding, prom, and date nights. Colors include red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple, pink, light pink, and hot pink. Reliable quality. Made from synthetic fiber, these colorful hair extensions are soft and easily blend into your natural hair. They withstand temperatures of up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit when styling with curling rods and straightening irons. Length. The straight hair beads for extensions measure 20 inches long. Use the microbeads to easily loop through your hair while adding the perfect length and volume to a ponytail or a big bun. Easy to clean. The microbead hair extensions are easy to clean. Simply hand wash using a mild shampoo in cold or warm water. Comes with. Our hair extension kit features 100 strands of rainbow hair, 100 micro rings, 1 plier, and 1 pulling needle hook tool. 202 pieces total. Show off your unique style while adding some flair to your hair with our microbead hair extensions kit. The bead hair extensions feature 202 pieces that include 100 strands of rainbow hair, 100 micro rings, 1 plier, and 1 pulling needle hook tool to ensure you have more than enough to style your hair. Our synthetic braiding hair extensions are the perfect accessory for a prom, wedding, dance recital, costume party, or casual evening out. Instantly transform your look and hairstyle with these synthetic hair bundles that can be worn with casual or formal wear. The rainbow-colored microbead synthetic hair extensions are easy to clean and maintain. Before shampooing, gently remove any tangles by picking the hair from the ends and working your way up. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. These are fun and easy to use. Stayed well in my daughter's hair.